Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines who just passed by the Yosemite. That's the hospital where we gonna Terrence got the consultations there from the urologist, which we're gonna back next week again for the doctor about our in vitro procedure, and also the same we're gonna conduct another test for the semen analysis for him. Yeah, just look at the tab. Yeah. For you, darling. Yeah, just look at the traffic here. It's very... Do you want to live here?
No,
No?
I don't think so.
Part of me wants to live here, and yeah.
I hope it's a very small part of it.
Yeah, I think it's because it's there's a hospitals here. It's accessible, right?
Why do we need a hospital?
I mean the medical facilities, which is one factor to consider to retire, right? To live, right? But then I preferred not. It's because of the traffic, the pollution, and it's not my thing here. I've been living here for I think over 8 years. Since I at the age of 14 until 24 here in Cebu City, and I look at the difference now. It's very huge difference when it comes to traffic.
I would think the stress of living here would require that you were near a hospital. That would be my take on it.
Yeah, and a lot of establishment now, I think this is the second, what they call that, main city in the Philippines, right? The economy really growth here. A lot of malls, a lot of buildings, a lot of condominiums now here.
And what would be so much better about our lifestyle if we lived here?
And also the other thing to consider if you live in the city is the cost of living, which also increase. That's why we will not live here, right?
As I just said, what would be the benefit to us
Nothing.
of living here?
Nothing.
So, no benefit?
No benefit.
Really? You're losing me here. So, a small part of you wants to come here and live here for no benefit.
A small part of me wants to live here, but majority, maybe one eighth. Yeah. So the rest, no. I think sometimes I just love to look at building, right? Of high-rise buildings.
There's no part of me wants to live here.
That's good. Then we don't live here.
That's good, yes. It's good that no part of me wants to live here because we don't live here.
Yeah, we don't live here. It's also because I think if you're an expat or you're a foreigner and wants to retire in the Philippines, you should consider the cost of living, because here everything is gonna be paid. Everything. The rent is very expensive. For example, the apartment are possible between 15 to 30,000 pesos a month. But if you live in the province, like in Talibon, you can get 3,000 to 5,000 pesos a month for the rental of the apartment, which is comfortable.
Yes.